What's up, guys? It is Ben here, aka the Red Nose. Today we're going to be doing some of the funniest ringtones on the planet. Caution, these can only be accessed on the iPhone. Let's start off with our first one.
You know something? In India, it is against our religion to use bad language. And we don't like to use bad words. But in this case, you need to pick up your fucking phone, man, because someone tried to call you, you bastard guy.
Next one. Next one. Caution, this may contain swearing.
You bloody fucking phone is fucking ringing, bastard! Listen now, you bloody phone, telephone fucking ring. Bloody hell, pick your fucking phone up, you bastard motherfucking cunt, you bloody telephone, a bloody fucking ring, bastard! Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. I'm fucking telling you, fucking sick and tired of this bloody fucking phone. I'm telling you, motherfucker, you pick your fucking phone up, you...
Oh God, I did say caution, that one may contain swearing. Next one.
Hello? Wake up or I kill you. Hello? Wake up or I kill you.
That was a short one, but a funny one. Next one. Caution, mummies, I'm sorry, but this one may be a bit offensive to you.
It's your mother. Pick it up. It's mommy on the phone. Pick it up. Don't hide from me. You can't hide. It's your mother. Don't think you can run away. I know where you are. Pick it up. I'm gonna find you sooner or later. Pick it up. It's your mother. It's mommy on the phone.
Next one. Caution, this contains swearing, and maybe there be a lot of it.
Pick it up, you prick! You fucking retarded, ugly, spotty twat face! Pick up your phone now! You can ignore me as much as you want, but I won't fucking go away until you answer your fucking phone, you tosser! La 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 la. Your fucking phone is ringing! I know a soul now, get on your nerves, get on your nerves, get on your nerves! I know a soul now, get on your nerves, get on your nerves, you cunt! I fucked your mum, I fucked your mum, I fucked your mum and dad! I fucked your mum, I fucked your mum, I fucked your mum and dad! Yeah? How'd you like them fucking apples, you total fucking knob jockey? Ha ha!
I said that one maybe contains swearing, and I was right. Next one.
Arriba, arriba, arriba! It's your telephone! Pick up, 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 pick up! Only guacamole, it's your mobile phone! Arra, arra, arra! Hey, Juanita, give me a fajita! Arr, 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 ah! Holy nachos! Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up! Ah, 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 arr!
Alright guys, this is the next one. Next one. Caution, this may contain swearing, but it still is funny.
Fuck nut, shit ass, dick licker, wank fuck, cunt fucker, shit wank fuck fucker. I'm Adam Hussein, wicked.
Told you. This one's from Despicable Me.
Ring, 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 ring-a-ling. Ring, 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 ring-a-ling. Get your phone, ring, ring, ring-a-ling. Ring, 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 ring-a-ling. Get your phone, ring, ring, ring-a-ling. They keep on calling and a calling, don't you leave it ringing, ring-a-ling, ring, 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 ring-a-ling.
Now, this may not seem funny, but we find it funny. Next one.
Okay, children, let's start the day with a few new math problems. What is 5 times 2? Come on, children, don't be shy. Just give it your best shot. Yes, Clyde.
12?
Okay, now let's try to get an answer from someone who's not a complete retard. Anyone? Come on, don't be shy.
I think I know the answer, Mr. Garrison. Shut up, fat boy. Hey, don't call me fat, you fucking Jew.
Eric, did you just say the F word?
Jew? No, he's talking about fuck. You can't...
What McDonald's would you like to suck? Next one. Caution, this may contain
How
swearing.
would you like to suck my balls? I'm sorry. Actually... How would you like to suck my balls?
And this is the end of the video. Hopefully you found this really funny. Bye.